Hello guys, welcome back to One True Legend. Today we are going to be doing an unboxing and review of the quick release adapter for your camera. So basically I've got this from Leaplight and I've got this from AliExpress. So basically this adapter, as you can see right here, it says Leaplight, and it allows you to essentially make your camera quick release. Although my tripod has got a quick release plate on it, it's kind of bulky. If I leave that on my camera, it's going to kind of get in the way. But if I have this on my camera all the time, then it's not going to be really in the way, and I could easily just take it off and put it on the tripod without having to like screw it in every time. So it's even got with the, it's got a couple of tools. It's got an Allen key. It's got a key to actually tighten it on, and it's even got this bag where you can actually put it inside. So without further ado, I'm going to put my camera on this and I'm going to install it onto the tripod. Right, so over here, as you can see, this is actually my Velbon tripod. So I've been using it for quite a while. And of course, if I leave this on my camera, this quick release plate, it's going to be really big. So as you can see, this is the plate. If I have this on my camera to demonstrate, I've got a phone mount on here. So if I put this on here right now, as you can see, it's going to be sticking out, and you have to use a key to put it in or coin to actually screw it in every time, and it's kind of a hassle. But I just want to quickly just put my camera on there. That's where this quick release mount actually comes in. So as you can see, it's even got a sticker. It's made of a good material. As you can see, it's even got more mounts on here, so you can mount it this way. You can mount it at the bottom. It even says the manufacture date. So as you can see, it says it's made in the 9th of June 2025, which I assume. So as you can see, if you pop this out, I assume this will come out, and then you could just easily just take the camera out. And this is to lock it and this is to unlock it. So let's just gonna experiment with that. And I think this is to take it out. I think this is just the cap to just put your protect. As you can see, you could just take a tripod out like that. This actually stays on your camera at all times, and then this stays in the tripod at all times. So you could just easily just put it in. Wow, it's actually so made of good quality. It's even got a level built in. So yeah, it's really good quality. We're now going to actually put this on the camera. First, I'm going to put the bottom side, and because I've only got this camera, I'm going to film with my eye to put the camera side on. So first, we're going to put the tripod side on. I've got my tripod plate for this tripod over here. I'm actually going to mount the base plate on here. So we're going to make it facing this way so you can easily just put the tripod in. We're just going to screw it in and make sure it's straight. So yeah, we know it's straight now. What we're going to do, before I used to use a coin, but the good thing is that Leaplight has actually supplied with me a key to actually just turn it in. It's actually really convenient. So I'm going to use that to actually put the tripod in. So we're just going to screw it in like so. Make sure it's proper strong. This is actually not going anywhere now. You can just put the quick release mount plate on here, and then we can always have this on the tripod essentially. And then whenever we want to put our camera on, let's say the camera is already on here, you can plunk it down. Actually put it in the wrong way. Alright, so it's proper in now. As you can see, this can live on the camera. We can just have it on the camera. So as you can see, we've got the screw in here, and as you can see, it actually comes with the spare. It comes with this one, although this one is just the Allen key. This one's actually, you can twist it in. It's got a line on there. You can easily just remove it as well. I'm going to leave it on here. So without further ado, let's put this on the camera. Alright, so I'm now filming with my iPhone. So as you can see, I've got my A67 camera, which I was just recording with. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to put the mount on here. So I'm now going to put the plate on, as you can see. I'm just going to tighten it with my hands first. Alright, so now I've tightened it enough with my hands. Just got to make sure it's straight. What I'm going to do, I'm going to make sure it's as down as possible. We don't want it to interfere with the lens. So what I could do now, I can get this Leaplight key and I can just essentially just tighten it as tight as I can. So we don't want to make it too tight. So as you can see, it's tight. We're not going anywhere, and now that's staying on the camera at all times. And the good thing is that because this is Acra, with Acra compatible adapters, you can just essentially put on various things like a backpack holder or various things, which I'm probably going to try in the future. But as you can see, this stays on your camera at all times. You could just do your POV, you could just do your shots, and then whenever you want to put it in tripod, just essentially just put it in here. So now it's in, and then you can just easily just lock it in place. As you can see, it's now locked in place. This camera is not going anywhere. And then to easily just take it off, you just simply just press this down. Your camera is easily removable as it is to put it back on the tripod. This is a really neat device, especially if you just want to quickly just get some shots from putting it on a tripod, or you don't want to mess around putting it on the tripod. And then this can just stay on the camera at all times. Because it's not that big, it won't really take up space or that much weight in your camera. You can just plonk it down on your desk or whatever. So yeah, I'm going to now end this video now. I hope you find this video useful, and I'll speak to you in the next one. Thank you for watching.